Most lies don't scream. They don't come with trembling hands or shifty eyes. They come softly. They come in a pause between words, in the tiny inconsistencies you almost don't notice. And that's what makes them dangerous, because they look normal. They sound normal. They feel just like anyone else. Imagine this. You're chatting with someone you trust. Everything seems fine. Their voice is steady. Their gestures are natural. They smile at the right moments. They laugh at the right jokes. But then, you ask something simple, nothing accusatory, nothing harsh, and suddenly, the rhythm changes. The flow shifts. The words come faster or slower. Their tone feels flat or strangely precise. It's subtle, but your mind notices. Your body notices. Because truth doesn't need managing. Lies do. Think about when someone gives you too much information. A story about why they were late, why they didn't reply, why something just happened. Every detail seems rehearsed. Too perfect, too convenient. Truth doesn't need to explain itself in chapters. It just exists. Lies, on the other hand, try to convince you it's real. Listen to how they use words. Instead of, I forgot. You hear, things slipped my mind. It kind of happened. It wasn't intentional. Notice the distance. Notice how they avoid owning the action. It's subconscious self-protection, a way to shield themselves from exposure. Here's another trick the professionals notice. Ask the same question later, casually, as if nothing matters. A truthful person repeats their story easily. A liar? Details shift. Timelines twist. Facts appear differently. Because truth is remembered. Lies are reconstructed, and reconstruction always leaks. Now, watch emotion. Liars don't always show less emotion. Sometimes they show in the wrong place. They get defensive over minor details, or unusually calm about major mistakes, or apologize, but it feels delayed, calculated. Real emotion is automatic. It lands naturally. It hits when it should. Manufactured emotion is delayed or in the wrong spot, and your body feels it, even before your mind can name it. Even a pause is telling. The half second before an answer. The breath held. The subtle shift in posture. That's not guilt. That's your subconscious noticing the lie forming. The brain deciding which version of reality will come out. The truth about spotting liars is simple. You don't need proof. You don't need confrontation. You just need observation. Watch for patterns breaking. Notice when behavior shifts. See when words float away from reality. Feel when emotion is misplaced. And notice the effort someone puts into looking normal. Lies fail quietly, subtly, in ways you almost miss. And once you can see it, once you trust your perception, you stop being manipulated. You stop feeling confused. You start seeing people clearly. The next time someone tells a story that doesn't feel right, pay attention, not to accuse, not to argue, but to see, because your instincts often notice the truth, long before your brain catches up. And when you learn to listen to them, you'll always know